This video is a complete step-by-step guide on how to sell your tokens and withdraw your money to your wallet right here on this Remitano app. I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know and some key things you need to understand while making your withdrawal to your local bank account. All right. And in the last video, for those of you that missed that video, I showed you guys how to transfer directly into this app, all right, and how to avoid the dispute or file a dispute against anyone in case the person refuse to send you your token on time or have any complaint unnecessarily. So I explained all of that in my last video. If you haven't watched that video, you need to go and watch it. I'll be dropping the link at the video description. That video will be very helpful for those of you that haven't used this platform in buying or transferring into it before. Okay, so right here I'm going to be showing you a live way on how I withdrew this 9.66 dollars from my account right here on the Remitano wallet to my local bank account. All right, meanwhile, this video is for educational purpose and it's not a financial advice. Always ensure that you verify any wallet address or transactions that you are making when dealing with Web3 wallets. So now you've known all of that, let us get started. The first thing you need to do is this. Now you have to click on this sell because I want to sell. All right, you click on this sell. Then after I clicked on the sell now, you can now see that the money that I have in my wallet is $9.66. I'm going to insert that money right here. I want to withdraw the money, okay? I'll insert $9.66. All right, this is the money I want to withdraw, and the money that I have is in USDT BNB network. And if you want to if you want to sell any other coin, you can click on this drop down menu. All right, if you click on that drop down menu now, the button is gonna be, you see the list of coins that you have in your wallet for you to sell. You can make your selection based on the particular wallet address that you have crypto inside or cryptocurrency in. All right, you can select the asset. You can see from this place now the list of assets that you have is going to be showing just at the bottom right here for you to make your selections on the particular crypto that you want to sell. So right here in this wallet, I have some crypto in USDT, preferably BNB network. I want to sell my crypto in USDT. So, and since I have crypto in USDT, this is the only one that I have in this wallet. So I'm going to sell it right here. So let's go back. All right, now we are now back in this place. So you can make a narration. Right here is the equivalent. You can track the equivalent of the Naira value, Naira trading value directly from the app as well. Okay, and now this is the equivalent of the $9.66 I'm going to be selling from the Remitano crypto wallet. All right, now you can make a narration of your choice. If you click on that narration, they said the narration is suggested by you for this transaction. Now for the narration, you can write any name of your choice. You can write anything that you like, you want to write, okay? But right there, I just prefer to write my name. So now you are going to be selling your crypto to the crypto wallet, all right? So go ahead and click on the sell button. All right, as soon as you click on that sell button, just allow the confirmation to happen and then ensure that your network is very stable while making this, okay? So what you have to do now is to click on this confirm button. Alright, click on that confirm button again. You allow it to load, alright? You can now see the amount that you're going to be getting. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Alright, it has loaded, and the transactions has been completed. So now we can now view our transactions right here, and you see that the transaction has been completed. So now I have sold my token, my USDT today, where to the Remitano wallet. Since now that I've sold it to the Remitano wallet, I can now go back to my Remitano and go and send my money now to my bank account. All right. I hope this is clear. So right now, what am I going to do? I'll just click right here, go back, click on back again, click on this back. All right. Okay, it will take you right here. All right, now I have sold it to the Remitano wallet, and you can see your transaction below. Let's refresh the page. Refresh the page again. So since I have sold my USDT back right here on the Remitano wallet, what I need to do, like I told you, is I'm now going to send my money to my bank account, because after you've sold your cryptocurrency to the Remitano wallet, you can now, that crypto now is going to be, you are now selling that crypto, like the crypto is going to be converted back to your local currency in the Remitano wallet right here, so that I can now send it, to be able to send it to your bank. All right. So now the option now that I'm going to use now is to click on this withdraw. Okay. You click on this withdraw. Now you can now see withdraw NGN, right? You can see withdraw NGN. You click on this withdraw NGN. All right. Now I've clicked on this withdraw NGN. You can now see now that is NGN, your local currency, that is shown, and then you can now see here the currency. Okay, so now you can now click on maximum. If you want to sell everything, you can click on maximum. All right, now I've clicked on that maximum, the amount has shown. So now you can now select a payment narration right here. The payment narration, I can still select David. Okay, all right, I can see select, you can see select your name if you like. And after you've selected your name, you come down here and select the bank of your choice. All right, now it's going to take you right here. What you have to do now is to fill in these details, fill in your banking information. All right, so I want to use my OPay, so I'll just click right here and select my OPay. Oh, sorry, I want to use my money point account. These are the list of the various banks accounts that you have. All right, so I'll click on the money points. I want to sell through my money points. Then you insert your account number in the card. All right, in the money points. So let me insert my account number 062301765. They said account number not valid. I guess it's network, but just have to refresh it. All right, then let me insert my name first. Okay, then you insert your display name. Right after you've inserted your display name, right here, come down here and click on create. Okay, you come right here and click on create. And after I've clicked on create, you can now see that my account has shown right here. Okay, and you can also decide to change the account in case you don't want to use this particular account. You can click on this change and change the account and insert another account entirely. So when you click on that, that is going to take you right here for you to, you can now come back here and insert another account of your choice. All right, let me say for instance I want to insert a different bank like First Bank. You still come here, click on that drop down icon at the top right corner, click on it, then you come down and select First Bank. Okay, I want to insert First Bank. You select First Bank, then you insert the account number in your First Bank, 31220727. All right, you said account not found. So all right, you can enter it. In case it says account not found, just go ahead and enter it manually. All right, enter it manually, but ensure that while you're entering it, it is accurate. You don't do mistake. Okay, so you verify it, you verify the number you're adding, 31220727. All right, it is correct. I verified it, it is correct. So now come here and put your account holder's name is your name. All right, then you come here and put, you verify the display name on your account. Then you can decide to set it at default in case you want to be using this account to be receiving your money from the Remitano wallet. You can always set it at default. All right, then after setting it, you come here and click on create. Okay, I'm just showing you step by step guide on how to follow it. Now you can now see that that particular account that I inserted is showing as default. It means this is the one that I'm always going to be using to make my withdrawals directly from this app. Okay, I hope this is clear enough. Now you have to click on it to confirm it. I have to click on it. After you've clicked on it, now you confirm your linkage, the account you have linked. You can go ahead and click on continue. All right, you click on continue and then allow it to load. Then go ahead and click on confirm. All right, you can now see processing. It is still, the wallet is still processing my transaction, so we just have to wait after some for a little while. And then below right here you can see the fee, that is the banking fee that is involved in this transaction. For this transaction, the wallet is gonna take 77 NGN out of this 13,300 for to perform this transaction. All right, so the wallet is going to remove this fee and then deposit the rest to the bank account that you provided. You can see withdraw to First Bank, and it's still processing, so we just have to wait for a little while. You can also decide to go back to the wallet while you are waiting for the transaction to perform. So since this is just a live step-by-step guide, let's just exercise a little patience and wait for it to load. Then you can now click back. You can now always click back to history while you are waiting for the transaction to be processed. All right, Now I've clicked back to history. Now you can now see processing, right? Now why it is showing processing? They want to pay. They want to peg you up with a buyer that is going to buy um buy and then transfer the money to you. That is what they want to do. That is why it is showing processing. All right. So now you can now see. You can always track your your transaction from this notification. Anytime that the transaction is ongoing, a notification will always be popped out in case you minimize to do another thing entirely. All right. So right now they have paired me up with someone and the person has sent the money to my account. And that is why they say that I should verify the payment if the money has been sent to my account. So I went to my first bank account and I saw the money right there. Then I had to minimize and come back to Remitano app and clicked on this I have received. As soon as I click on this I have received, then now the transaction was completed and then they had to release the funds, the crypto to that other partner. All right. That is how easy and seamless it is making transactions or selling right here on the Remitano. So I came here and clicked on this I have received. They said I should log into my bank account below to confirm the the payment. So I logged into my first bank account and confirmed the payment. And the person that sent the money was Famoni Banjo Luwashina Tunde. So I confirmed it. I came back to the app, clicked on confirm. Had it been I didn't receive it, I would have clicked, waited for the timer to elapse, and then filed a dispute through the help section. But already, since I have received it, there's no need filing a dispute. So I came here, clicked on. You can now see completed transaction completed. All right. So this is how to go about the process. So I've succeeded in showing you people how to sell and send your money to your bank account and what you need to do, some key things you need to know. And if this video was very helpful, please do like and subscribe to this channel. I don't drop anyhow video. It's only useful videos that I know that will help my community is what I do drop. So if you find this video very helpful, please do share these videos to those that will need the same information, like and drop a comment below so that this video can also reach others that need this same information on how to navigate the Remitano app. See you in my next upload and bye for now.